Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active 3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, you can tap on Vibrate right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also tap on Sound right next to Vibrate at the top, and click on the sweater next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Call Vibration, select Silent in order to disable haptic feedback or click on one of those vibration patterns, like heartbeat. When you finished, go back and do exactly the same for your notification vibration. Then click on System Vibration and adjust vibration intensity of your system by swiping left or right on this slider. Then tap on all of those sweaters next to all of those features under vibration feedback to turn it on or off for all of them. After going back this time, you can choose vibration intensity and access the same slider as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!